In this video, you'll learn how to add interactive charts to your Notion pages. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the ability to enhance your Notion workspace with dynamic visual data representations. Start by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser and enter quote notion.so quote in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage with options to sign in or create an account if you do not already have one. Next, locate the drop-down menu. This is typically found in the left sidebar of the Notion interface. Click on the menu to reveal various options related to your workspace. After that, click on the templates option from the drop-down menu. This action will direct you to a new screen showcasing a variety of templates available for use within Notion. Once you are on the templates page, find and click on Marketplace. This section allows you to explore additional templates and integrations that can enhance your Notion experience. Now, direct your attention to the search box located at the top of the Marketplace page. Click on the search box and type in charts to find chart-related templates. After entering the search term, a list of chart templates will appear. Browse through the options and choose a chart that suits your needs. Selecting a template will provide more details about it. Next, click on the Add button associated with the template you have chosen. This action initiates the process of adding the chart template to your Notion workspace. Once you have clicked Add, you will see an option labeled Add to Private. Click this to confirm that you want to include the template in your personal workspace. After confirming, a message will appear indicating that the template is being added. This may take a moment depending on your internet connection speed. When the addition process is complete, you will receive a confirmation that the template has been successfully added. Look for a notification or confirmation message on your screen. Now, click on the See Template option to view the chart template you just added. This allows you to explore its features and how it can be customized for your needs. Next, click on the Ultimate Notion Chart Pack to open the specific chart pack you have chosen. This will provide you with a detailed view of all available charts within that pack. Finally, click on Charts for personal use to access the specific charts intended for individual use. This section will enable you to select and customize the charts that best fit your requirements. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.